Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you a new feature for text and documents. As you may know, the latest version includes HTML support for your documents and description. HTML is a worldwide standard for web pages and documents. This language uses keywords enclosed in brackets named tags, which are wrapped around plain text in order to achieve the required layout or format. Given the complexity of the topic, this video won't cover the rules and syntax of HTML, so please refer to the online bibliography for further information. The new text style feature is a quick way to achieve the same result without any knowledge of HTML. This requires you to create a database of format presets which can be easily applied to your text. Let's see how it's done. First, you have to create one or more styles you wish to use. Each style requires you to choose a name and one or more options of text formatting. The available options include the most common ones such as bold, italic, font type, and size. In our example, we created two styles. The first one named Important, which includes bold, highlighted red text. The second one that we named Default, with underline, italic, and magenta text. As you may see in the section below, a preview is displayed to help you figure out the result on a text sample. The section above, on the other hand, will show you the code required to apply the text style, or the equivalent text if you wish to use the HTML code only. Let's see how to use them on documents. As you can see, we have here already an example with a formatted text. We edited this text, including the text, and wrap the text with the default and the closing of the default tag for the magenta one and the important tag for the payment section. If everything is correct, once you save your document template, you can see the preview right away. Any change to a text style will automatically update all the documents on which it has been added. Let's try to change this magenta text to another color. This is the real-time preview of the new layout. Text styles can be also used on typology description and all related text that can be appended to it, such as additional description for profiles, accessories, colors, options, and array kits. Let's see an output sample using text styles. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.